Welcome to Restion, the skincare resolution, where prevention and restoration form the basis of our Aging Gracefully theme for this year. In this very first episode, we will focus on the importance of a daily skincare routine. Inevitably, there comes a time in all our lives when we make a conscious decision to start taking care of our skin. Usually, it is at a time when we start to experience breakouts. It is vitally important to have a good daily skincare routine, forming the basis of our skin's prevention, protection, and restoration. Restion products make this process really easy with amazing results. If you are younger and have a more oily-prone skin, we recommend you use the Restion Oily Skincare product range for your routine. If you are over 30 and are experiencing breakouts, the Normal to Dry Skincare product range is recommended. Let's start with a good morning routine. Good morning and rise and shine. Wake up to a refreshing double cleanse. Yes, a double cleanse please, as our cleansers do not contain any sulfates or solvents. After lightly wetting your face and neck with lukewarm water, gently massage a small amount of cleanser onto your skin. Rinse well and repeat. The Oily Skincare Cleanser contains tea tree oil, aiding in the removal of spots and blemishes, while the Normal to Dry Cleanser contains rosemary to help reduce inflammation. Feeling clean and refreshed? It's now onto our modern day toner, which do not contain alcohol nor antiseptic. Spray a generous amount of toner on a cotton swab and gently apply with soft circular motions to the face and neck areas. The Oily Skin Control Toner presents a younger skin with cucumber extract and witch hazel, preventing the enlargement of pores, promoting a tighter skin texture, while the Normal to Dry Toner contains giant kelp extract as a mild skin tightener. The Ultra Day Moisturizer, both the Normal to Dry and Oily Skin, have a tested SPF of 20, providing broad range protection from both UVB as well as UVA, and present with cellular antioxidants and humectants, fitting into our restoring routine. Apply after toning by squeezing a small amount onto your fingertips and spread lightly over your face and neck. Both contain provitamin B5 as well as vitamin E. Now onto a good night routine. Repeat step 1 and 2 of the good morning routine, leaving your skin refreshed and ready for a good night's rest. Done and dusted, your effective good morning and good night Restion routines. Importantly, as you now go about your newly adopted good morning and good night product application routines, our hero ingredient, Bulbine frutescens, has already engaged in fibroblast calling, proliferation, and collagen production, initiating the basis outcome to our series, Aging Gracefully. Always remember, the ultimate success of Restion's skincare interventions rely on your commitment to making a Restion resolution. Until our next meeting, from the team at Restion, cheers for now.